I just hear someone said that why we always see man or a child in a horror story as a ghost, you know. And they say that it's because men do all these things while being alive that a ghost of a woman or a child does to people. And it's scary because it's accurate and it's disturbing and it's shit. But oh my god, I was so scared when I see that balloon. What the fuck? Anyways, so the point is that we as a society, I think so first we put so much pressure on that men are so strong, men are so strong, men are so strong, which is weird because a person who goes down just because of the flu can never be that strong. Okay. First thing I think so we put so much into that now a woman just assume that she's a weaker person. Okay. I don't believe that because I saw women doing things. I hear stories of a woman in a history and everything. I don't think so. Women are as weak as we show them or as we might put them in their brain to just be it in that way. First thing I think so why we do that because men has nothing else to do. Men cannot do anything progressive in this world. Like they have nothing to do. It's the woman who can actually do something for a world naturally, which is giving birth and making it populated. Other than that, I think so men has nothing. They cannot prove their worth by anything. If we go to the naturally basics, men cannot do anything. That's why they work as a worker. That's why they do the labor work. That's why they uh, put the system as a money making, which is not a money making. It's like you are giving a treatment to someone who can put your name in the who cannot let your lineage go missing around. So you work for that person, and that person gives you something in a benefit. So we as a society put so much into in our children's mind that men are stronger, women are weaker. So women not even tries to act as a strong person. They when somebody grabs your hand, you just lose the will because your mind is like, oh, you cannot do that. You cannot do nothing in that situation. Some people, some women don't even try to do anything because they're like, oh, we are weak. What we can do? And some men in their head has this without achieving a single shit in their life that, oh, we are stronger. Oh, we are the stronger one. How? You came out of a woman. You need a woman beside you. You need a woman to uh, start your be so your family don't go instinct as a dinosaurs, and you are still the strongest one. You are still the one who's making decision. Why? I don't get it. Why? Why? When you are someone who needs someone else continuously, women can make money, women can make babies. What you can do? You can just do the basic thing that women can also do. What you can do, like build a house, a woman can. It might take maybe longer, it might take, maybe she can, okay, I agree, maybe she cannot lift that much of a heavy weight, so it might take longer for her to do that. But you can still not make a baby how much whatever you do. So please tell me, when you cannot do a single shit, how you are telling me that you are still superior, you are still strongest? How? On what level? Yeah, if you want to talk about it in a Islam point of view, it's because women also gone through so many phases. That's why she is not allowed to work. She not I'm sorry, I use the word allowed, but that's not even here. Women are not supposed to, like, Islam didn't say that women are not allowed to work. Islam don't put anything like that on women. Never. Okay. If somebody says you that this is what Islam is, this is not what Islam is. So that's because she is giving a birth to a child. Why would she work? She is giving a birth of your child. Why would she work? She's already giving the labor. Why would she do the other labor thing? Why? What you gonna do then? Who the fuck you think you are then? Men's value goes zero if he doesn't work. And the reason is because there's only one thing he can do, which not mind, which also a woman can do, but is choosing to be like, okay, yeah, fine, I can rest a little. And you are taking it as a weakness. How shit you are. I think so. We as a society need to change that mindset from a very basic. I'm so done with this bullshit. Now I just think it's just on a paper that men are stronger. I don't believe that. Like I think so. Somebody is not doing a researches properly. Somebody gives me these flowers. My cousin. Oh my god, I love them. Anyways, yeah. And on that, you are giving men so much of just get away with things like, why the fuck you just can't slap hard on someone's face and be like, fuck off?